This next video in the data chapter is going to look at bar charts and averages, and will take place at one of the best places in the world, the bakery. So we're going to look at how a bar chart can show how many muffins were sold in a week at this bakery, and also look at how averages are combined with bar charts in your typical 11 plus question. Here are the three questions coming up. Part A is going to require us to read the bar chart and calculate how many muffins were sold on Thursday. Part B will require us to work out some averages, and for that we're going to need the total and then calculate the mean number of muffins sold every day. And part C, there's going to be a change in the value, so we have to recalculate the total and recalculate the average of muffins sold per day. Right then, part A. On Thursday, the bakery sold twice as many muffins than on Tuesday. How many were sold on Thursday? So for this question, we need to read how many muffins were sold on Tuesday. And looking at it, you can read over from the left axis, they sold 6. So 6 muffins were sold on Tuesday. And then so you double it, twice means double. So double that number to make 12. 12 muffins were sold on Thursday. Moving on to part B. On average, the bakery sold 8 muffins per day. How many were sold on Sunday? So when you're told the average, the first thing you must always do is then find the total for the week. Okay, so there's 7 days in the week. You know they sold on average 8 per day. So the total will have to be 8 times 7, which equals 56. So once you know that there were 56 muffins sold that week, you can just add up how many muffins were sold on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then subtract that number away from 56 to get the number of muffins sold on the Sunday. So let's do that. We have Monday was 12, Tuesday was 6, Wednesday was 2, Thursday we worked out was 12, Friday was 5, and Saturday was 11. So take those numbers away from 56, or let's add them up. We get 48. So Sunday we must have sold 8 muffins. And part C, there has been a mistake, and the bakery actually sold 19 muffins on Monday instead of 12 that was initially thought. So what is the new average of number of muffins sold per day for that week? Righty-ho, we have to find a new average. And in order to do that, you always have to start with the total first, okay? So let's recalculate the total. There were an extra 7 muffins sold on Monday. So that means there's an extra 7 to the total. So instead of 56, we have to add 7 to that, and we know that the new total is 63. So a new total of 63 muffins. If there's 7 days in the week, you divide 63 by 7, and you can recalculate the average, which is 9 muffins per day. Right, so we've worked through 3 questions, starting with a fairly basic one and then ending with the icing on the cake, or the muffin, sorry, bad pun, on how the numbers change and you have to recalculate your total, then recalculate your average. So have a go at some questions below for a bit more practice, whilst I head down to the bakery. Okay, good luck.